Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how you can utilize or write code using ChatGPT. And to do so, first let's go and search for a bar plot. Okay, let's search only for bar plot, and then we find this sort of bar plots. So let's save it first. Then we go for the ChatGPT and we write it like this, and then we go to the advanced data analysis, because the ChatGPT claims that this is the advanced model that is really expert on Python 3 programming as well as data analysis. So the very first thing we'll do, we'll upload this specific bar plot. Then we need to define the ChatGPT, what it is, what it is supposed to do, how it is supposed to do, and the entire thing we expect from it. So let's first define it. This is a part of a prompt engineering, which is very important and highly paying job in the current market. So at the very beginning, we define it. So first we defined its role. The second part, we define that what we have attached. So we have attached plot. So we have defined that. Let's give some space as part of prompt engineering. Let's ask it what it is supposed to do. That's right. Functions defined. Now we want it to remain stable, so we define the temperature 0. We ask it take time and work. Let's see what it does. you need to understand the instruction I have provided. So first I defined its role, which is a prompt engineer is very important, highly lucrative job. A lot of money is being paid on this. So to do so, first we have defined its role, and then we defined that what we have attached. Then we defined that what it is supposed to do, its role, and then its task, and then we want it to be stabilized. So you can see first it has looked at the image, and then what it has done, it has wrote some Python code, which is matplot library, Seaborn, Pandas, and NumPy. I can explain each of these libraries, which we use extensively for data science. It has classified it into the 4 classes, which is wrong. We have 8 of the bar in here within bar plot, and it forgets the values 0 to 10 or 9, which in here we have 0 to 35. But it generated something. There is a color grade based in here. Here the colors are different. In here it's a color grading it has done. It has generated something. It's not exactly what we are looking for, and even we gave elaborate instructions and everything it's supposed to do, but it was unable to reproduce the entire thing. But it has done at some extent something. So don't believe everything you see in OpenAI demonstrations. You need to check reality and get through the data and everything very carefully, because this is your job. Those are just some helping hand which will actually help you to do your job. But either way, these are really good things and remarkable progress. So how you can adjust better? Probably if you have the data, you just can copy this code and put the categories as well as the values in here, and that will generate the graph you require. So it significantly reduce the coding burden from if you are new, or if it is time consuming. That's the basic of the up to today, which is September 28th, the capacity of advanced data analytics in ChatGPT. I will come with new updates. Till then, tata, bye bye.